Now I start trigonometry. Trigonometry. So what is trigonometry? Trigonometry is a part of mathematics which studies the relationship between the side, lengths and angles of triangles. Side, lengths, angles of triangles. So what is side, lengths, angles of triangles? That means, now suppose I consider a triangle. Here A, B and C, and we consider the AC is P, CB is H and AB is small b, and here angle is theta. So now here, to study the different trigonometric ratios of the functions, we will consider a right angle triangle. Suppose ABC is a right angle triangle with angle A is 90 degree. Now we can obtain the 6 different trigonometric ratio from the sides of this triangle, and they are respectively AC by BC, AB by BC, AC by AB, AB by AC, BC by AB. So if angle B is theta, then this ratio of respectively called sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. So clearly for this given angle theta, AC, which is denoted to small p, is perpendicular to AB. This AC is perpendicular to AB, which is denoted with small b, which is the base, and BC, which is denoted with small h, is hypotenuse. So this is the basic concept of trigonometry. So now we can find the trigonometric ratio. So hence there are 6 different trigonometric ratios as follows. Now number 1 is sin theta, which is AC by BC as compared to this triangle, this figure, which is sin theta is AC by BC, which is small p by capital H, that is perpendicular perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. Now number 2 is cos theta. Cos theta is AB by BC, which is small b by capital H, which denotes base by hypotenuse. Number 3 is tan theta. Which is AC by AB, which denotes from the triangle small p by small b, which means the perpendicular by base. Now number 4 is cosec theta. Cosec theta is equals to BC by AC. According to this triangle, cosec theta is equals to BC by AC, which means small h divided by small p, which is hypotenuse by perpendicular. Now number 5 is sec theta. Sec theta means BC by AB, which is small h divided by small b, which means hypotenuse by base. And number 6 is cot theta, which means AB by AC. That means small b by small p, which means base by perpendicular. So here we find the 6 trigonometric ratios from this triangle, which is clearly sin theta. Clearly this sin theta and cosec theta are represents to each other, reciprocals to each other. Similarly, cos theta and sec theta are reciprocals to each other, and while the tan theta and cot theta are reciprocals to each other. That means relation between trigonometric ratios that means cosec theta is equals to 1 by sin theta, or cosec theta into sin theta is equals to 1. Number 1. Number 2, sec theta 1 by cos theta, or sec theta into cos theta is equals to 1. Number 3, cot theta is equals to 1 by tan theta. Cot theta into tan theta is equals to 1. Number 4, tan theta. Tan theta means perpendicular by base, so which means sin theta by cos theta. And number 5 is cot theta. Cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. So here are the relations between the trigonometric ratio, which means the reciprocals. Sin theta and cosec theta are reciprocals to each other. Similarly, this cos theta and sec theta are reciprocals to each other, and cot theta and tan theta are reciprocal to each other. Now we understand for an example to clear that. So here now we consider example the six trigonometric ratios of an value in the given figure. Now suppose we consider a triangle. Here the angle A is 90 degree, angle B is theta, AB is 5, AC is 12. So here we find the six trigonometric ratios from this triangle. So now here in this ABC, this angle A is 90 degree. So suppose we consider 12 is equals to small p, 5 is equals to small b, and small h is equals to 13. So now here AC is 12. AC is 12 is equals to P, and AB is 5, which is denotes small b. Then from Pythagoras theorem, we know the Pythagoras theorem. BC, this BC is equals to AB square plus AC square. BC is equals to AB square plus AC square. So BC equals to root over AB square plus AC square. AB is root over 5 square plus 12 square. 25 plus 144 over 169 is equals to 13. Now BC is considered as 13. So here, so BC is considered at 30, which is h denoted to small h. So here side opposite to theta is AC, which denotes small p. side adjacent to theta is AB, which denotes small b, and side opposite to right angle is BC, which is hypotenuse H, small h. So it's according to this figure. So now sin theta. Sin theta means perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is? So small p by small h. What is small p? Small p is 12 and small h is 13. 12 by 13 is sin theta. Cos theta. Cos theta means base by hypotenuse. Base small b by small h, which means 5 by 13. Tan theta. Tan theta means perpendicular by base, small p by small b, which means 12 by 5. Cosec theta means 1 by sin theta, which is hypotenuse by perpendicular, small h divided by small p is equals to 13 by 12. Sec theta, hypotenuse by base, small h by small b, which means 13 by 5. And cot theta, small b by p, small p, which means base by perpendicular, that is 5 by 12. That is the 6 ratios we can find this triangle. And number 6. This is the basic part of trigonometry.